Hi guys, welcome back to JD's Kitchen and thank you guys for stopping by. So today I'm going to show you guys how I thaw and warm my freezer meals to make them fresh. So I woke up early this morning and I took out my ginseng sauce from the freezer. If you have not watched the freezer, you can see that it's already there's liquid on the back of the freezer bowl because I took it out around 5:36 a.m. So whenever you know that this is the meal you're going to eat on a particular day, especially when it's coming from a deep freezer like mine, you have to take it out very early. If not, you're going to stress. It's going to get to the time when you want to cook and it will not have defrozen. Okay, so I took it out really early from the freezer and it's already 1:30-ish. So I think it has defrozen. I'm going to show you guys what I do with it. So if you watch my batch cooking freezer meals video, you will know that I didn't cook the meal till the end. So I didn't put oil, I didn't put onions and green spices. So with every meal that I put in the freezer, especially if I know that we're going to eat it maybe in like 2-3 days, I will not put carrot and green beans in that meal. I will take it out, put it on the fire, allow it to defrost, and then I do the whole cooking process, and then now I add the finishing touches. If you had seen the batch cooking video, please go back to watch it. You see how I made the meals. I did not complete every meal. Okay, the only meal I completed where I put carrots and everything was in the white beans, and that's because on the day I made that batch cooking, I think it was a Monday, and that Monday was supposed to eat beans, Monday and Tuesday. So let's get into the video. First of all, let's do this little unboxing. So I got this 3 packs fine porcelain. What's that? Basically they are these bowls that you can like serve meals if you want to. I love the second and the smallest one because you can easily serve, like if I want to serve my husband, I can serve him there. And yeah, so I've already opened it, of course. Let me just show you guys and tell you guys how much they cost for the sizes. Okay, we got these ones from Limbe. Douala people, you guys did not tell me that that's how people have nice things in Douala, because I went to Douala. I did the last video, I unboxed the pots and the spoons, and there are just so many options and nice stuff. But we found this one in Limbe and it was relatively cheap, because when we saw something like this in Douala, they were saying, what was they saying? Was it 21,000 or was it 18,000? But this one was 15,000 here in Limbe. So maybe there's a difference in the quality. I can't tell, but let me show you guys. So this is what they look like, right? They are really heavy, really, and I like the way it looks. They look really good. I like the way they look. Let me take out their covers. I don't want stories that touch. Okay, so this is what the smallest size looks like. It's really small and I like it. It's nice. You can serve like maybe soup. It's nice. I like it. I think these are the 2 small ones I'll be using to serve my husband's meals. This one and the smallest one. This one is really big. It's too big. Like maybe if I'm having people come over, it's not big, but it's big to serve one person. So if I'm having people come over, this is what we can serve them. Maybe this and this, and maybe if there will be other things. I have some videos I would like to make hosting people. I hosted my elder brothers here, but I was just all over the place, so I didn't get to film. But if I'm next time I'm hosting, I would film like what I'm doing and the meals and how I set up the table and all of that. So these are the 3 bowls that we got. I don't know if they call them bowls, but serving dishes, whatever. Then this one as well. I love this one. I don't even know how much this one went for. I'll try to find out and put it on the screen. But these 3 were 15,000 francs. This one I'll try to find out and I'll put it on the screen. I do not know, but it's not breakable. Okay, you can use this one to drink Gary. The next time you see this bowl, I'll surely be drinking Gary inside. It's really nice. It's big. You can put it. Just imagine. Come with me. Just imagine drinking Gary with some granite, with some sugar, a sprinkle of salt. Do you put salt in your Gary? I do, and I'm not weird. I know I have people like me. People should comment down below if you put salt in your Gary. So let's go into the process of actually cooking our ginseng sauce. I am just going to put oil in the pot, and then you guys could have seen the other day I put all the ingredients. Okay, I put everything. So I'm going to allow it to steam up. I'm going to taste it. If there's any adjustments that I need to make, maybe a little bit of salt here or anything, I add it. And then let me show you guys the process instead of talking. Okay, so our ginseng sauce has defrosted. You guys remember I put the fish inside, so the fish now is thoroughly marinated. This is like 2-3 days after I kept it in the freezer, so I'm going to make it today. So the fish is properly marinated, the fish is going to smell like ginseng. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take out the fish from here and keep aside. Then I'll pour out now this into hot oil and allow it fry. I have a recipe for ginseng sauce on this channel. You might want to check it out if you don't understand this process I'm doing, but that's what I'll do. So I'm going to just remove the fish now, keep it aside, fry this, mix it up, put some I think I'm going to cook for a total of 30 minutes. So the first 10 minutes no fish, the last 20 minutes I will have put the fish inside so that it can cook thoroughly, and then I add my green spices, my onion. So just keep watching. So there goes my fish, my onion, and my green spices. Okay, so once this boils for about 10 minutes, once I can see it's boiling, I'm going to add the fish and then allow it to boil for about 15 to 20 minutes, and then I'll come back with my onions and my green spices, and then I'll taste to know if I should add salt and seasoning, and that's it. Freshly made, I'm already boiling rice, so we're going to have a freshly made ginseng sauce and rice. I'm coming, baby. At this point my whole house smells like ginseng. It's so blurry because of the steam from the pot. Let me add the fish now. Yeah, let's go ahead and add our fish in the pot. Okay, yes, let's see how thick it's gotten. So if you want it lighter, you can see how, so you can see how thick it's gotten. If you want it lighter, you can add some water. So I'm going to allow it cook, allow the fish to cook, and then I'll taste it and know if I'm adding any other thing. Baby, so I have my rice here. I'm just going to wash it and put it in the pot so that it can boil. Yes? Are you saying I should come? I'm coming. Yeah, I am coming. I am coming. Okay. Fish, you're not going to overstir the pot anymore. You can only shake it. Okay. I'm excited because I've done so much work. I can be productive. When I do my batch cooking, I can be so productive. I filmed the video earlier, I've edited, I've rested, I have time to pray, I have time to take care of Daniel without feeling overwhelmed. It's amazing to do this, okay? So our rice is ready. Now it's time to add some green spices and onion to this soup. Yes, baby. Yes, baby. I'm coming. There you have it, our fresh ginseng sauce and rice.